Yo, what's good, YouTube? Your boy Rich checking in for the day. Outside, sky, a little clear right now, but early, man, it was like pouring down rain, so kind of messed my schedule up. I had a couple of business meetings I was supposed to attend. Not just that, I was supposed to, you know how I do it. I go to pick and pull. I got a thing to where the seats that I got to go in the car, I don't know if I really want to go with those seats. To be honest with you, I just kind of keep y'all under curiosity what kind of seats I really want to go with. I wouldn't mind having the Camaro seats, no doubt about that. The dash swap stuff, I'm getting so pushed for everything now. I don't even know if I want to do the dash swap, but guess what? It's gonna happen. Right now, I'm out here, evening time, kind of cool. You know, kind of cool. It is cool. And I'm actually getting some work in. So, guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna turn the camera around and let y'all see what it is your boy Rich got going on. Yep. Out here working that thing. Out here working that thing, man. Meant to cut the camera on a little earlier when I first started. If y'all saw the video on this thing, y'all know how grungy it was. So I've already knocked some layers of oil off this thing with some I've actually used some brake cleaner, one whole can of brake cleaner on this thing. Just hitting it so I could get that thick surface off. You know I had to go get some of this right here. So, got my spray bottle like always. And I just come back in here and I just spray it and let it sit. Get it sprayed down real good. I'll try to get both sides up. I'm doing it. If this your first time watching the channel, make sure y'all go back and watch some my earlier videos. But if this your first time watching the channel, I'm doing the LS swap. I think I said SL. LS swap, and you see what I got. That 480. Didn't know what I was gonna go with at first. I got a transmission inside of the box Chevy, but I wasn't sure I was gonna go with that, so I actually tracked down my 480 that actually came with my engine. One of my homeboys had it, and he wasn't sure whether or not he was gonna use it, so I just asked him, you know, and just to see what was what, because he just came back off the road, and lo and behold, man, he was cleaning out his shop and said he wasn't gonna use it because he decided to sell the Vert. So, you know, like people should do. You know what I'm saying? Since he wasn't using it, you know, the first one he gave that lick at it, so I just went ahead and took it because I knew I wanted it anyway. Got my shifter and all to go with it. But yeah, man, just cleaning this thing up, man. Like I told y'all on my last video when I showed y'all the fans work, I said I was gonna make these things nice and short. So I'm gonna get back to scrubbing this thing a little bit, because if I can wipe it down, hopefully today, I don't know, I see what's what. I might get some paint on it. It's still a little early, so I might get some paint on it if I can wipe it down real good and clean it up. So y'all just stay tuned, man. All right, y'all can see where I done turned this thing around. Took my module off the other side. Still had the old wires. When we took this thing out, we cut wires, but usually I don't cut wires. I'm gonna say my homeboy Caleb cut wires, because he cut the wires away from it. And yeah. So yeah, I took this right here off so I can get to the other side and clean it a little better. So I'll take that, kind of throw that behind me. So far so good, got everything bust down. I'm gonna take my little blade, get them little crevices right there. I'm just trying to get a little bit of the dirt out of the corners. I ain't too worried about it. If I can, like I said, if I just wanted to get some of the oil off of it, so I can go ahead and spray it. It's gonna be up under the car where nobody can't see it anyway. So, you know, just being real, like painting it black, just a thing. It's just a thing, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get them little bits of, you know, dirt or oil out of them little crevices, and after I get her out of there, probably take her to my pallet, sit on my pallet, and then just go ahead and dry her up real good and spray her. So y'all stay tuned. All right, we got the tranny back here to my crate that I paint on in the backyard. We got that cover right there sprayed up. Like I say, we ain't sitting here trying to make nothing like super smooth, but I did clean everything up. Spray it down with degreaser. See, I got that sprayed already. So we're gonna hit the transmission up a little bit, and that's just gonna be that. So let me get to work on this right here so I can get this thing right here out the way. Yeah, so that's like the second coat. I'll let y'all see the first coat of me busting them down, but that's the second coat. Got a little bit more in the can. Might hit them with one more coat, just because. I don't know. Look good right now though. My neighbor cutting the yard, man. I see some little spots I gotta get up enough. So we definitely be going back over those spots right there. So we're gonna hit them with third. And that'll be that. Stay tuned. Alright. Coat number 3 is on there. Letting it dry right now, man. So a little bit of hard work. You know what I'm saying? And this is what I do, man. I push myself throughout the day. You know what I'm saying? I shouldn't use the word push, but I go hard throughout the day to get what I gotta get done, man. That said, you seen it. Got the transmission out of the back of the truck. Got it cleaned up. A little help from some brake cleaner and some Harbor Freight heavy duty cleaner. Yeah. I got it nice and glossy now. You see that thing there? Nice and glossy now, man. Yeah, man. Nice and glossy now. Engine. I gotta slam the heads on the engine and just torque them down. That's pretty much about it, though. To be real with you, the intake, I'm going back with my truck intake on that thing. So that's gonna be that. My other decision I'm making on whether or not I want to eliminate the knock sensors, and that don't take much. So this bill about to be super wrapped up. The next thing I'm gonna do is I might get out here tomorrow and round off my panoramic sunroof around the edges or whatnot, knock some of that jagged metal off, flatten it out, check my screws to make sure I got the proper screws to hold the top up. And from that point, man, I'm gonna just start working the top of the car, sanding down, getting into the metal. First, I'm gonna do my measurements to make sure I got my center line from front to back and side to side. And then I also mark it on my top. But that's a whole nother video right there, man. So y'all just stay tuned, man. I got the transmission painted up, man. I'm gonna go ahead and probably chill for the rest of the day. Let this thing right here sit for another 45 minutes to an hour back here, and then I'm gonna load them up back in the work truck. And the reason I do so is because when it's nice and warm outside in back of the work truck, man, that's like my oven. So it is what it is, man. Your boy Rich Everything, man. Like I always tell y'all, man, push that like button, man. Push that subscribe button. Hit the bell for push notifications, man. If y'all follow me and y'all seen these videos so far with the bill or whatnot, if y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all already know my saying, you know what I'm saying? I couldn't get no help, so I had to touch this thing 100 myself. But if you don't follow me on Instagram, it's Rich_everything with an A. So make sure y'all go do that too, man. But yeah, man, make sure y'all hit the like button, man. Help a brother get some more subscribers, so I can actually start breaking some of this stuff down, man. I'm gonna start doing a couple of I wouldn't really call them tutorials, but the breakdowns, because when I start doing the upholstery inside the car, I'm gonna show y'all the process on that, man. I ain't cutting nothing out. Y'all know I always drop it raw, so if it's something I mess up, I'm gonna show y'all that part too. Even on the motor bill, if the motor bill mess up, I'm gonna show y'all that too. So, but yeah, man, y'all just stay tuned, man. I'm gonna get this thing right here some more dry time. I'm gonna clean up my little area. I got my coil packs around now. I took them off the brackets and whatnot to clean them up too, so I'm gonna go back around there, check on those, man, probably bolt them back down, put those up for the night, man. But your boy Rich Everything, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, the bell for push notification. If you don't follow me on Instagram, it's Rich Everything, Rich_everything with an A. Your boy Rich, man. I'm out.